Hello dear students, welcome back to the Pharma Learning channel. Today I came with one another new topic related to pharmacy, that is known as spherical crystallization. As you are aware about what is the crystallization, and I have given the highlights of the into my introduction in the theory video. So let's try to go into the details of the spherical crystallization. Before I start this video, if you need any tutoring, coaching, have any of the subject, any of the topic related to pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical technology, please feel free to contact on me. This email, that's pharmalearning@gmail.com, or you can reach out via on this WhatsApp number too. So what is spherical crystallization? Spherical crystallization is basically it is a crystallization process into which we are trying to obtain the spherical crystals. Yes, it is an agglomeration process which will try to convert that crystals directly into the spherical shape and do the crystallization process, and the spherical shape has a number of advantages. But here what we are doing simultaneously, the crystal formation and the agglomeration of the crystal to convert into spherical shape both can be carried out into the single steps or into the single process. Now what are the reason we are going for the formation of the spherical crystal? The first most important advantage is the improvement of the compressibility. Spherical form can be directly compressed to form the like a tablets or the compact mass. So there is no need of like addition of any of the binder or any of the things what we require in the tablet formation, like dry granulation or wet granulation. Yes, there is improvement of the flowability, yeah, because the spherical shape is provide the minimum interparticular friction, and that's why it will impart good flowability. Yes, it will try to convert the crystalline mass into the polymorphic forms, and as you are knowing that each polymorphic form is going to be different one. So if you are trying to get a good polymorphic form, which may lead to the increase in solubility, ultimately it may lead to the increase in the bioavailability and the stability too. Yes, the spherical crystals can be used for masking the beta test of the drug too, and there's number of physicochemical properties related to the drug can be increased, that can be improved, and that may be suitable for the various pharmaceutical processing like mixing, milling, tableting, etc. The techniques which are basically techniques or methods which are used for the spherical crystallization, we can classify into the three: one typical, non-typical, and the novel one. The typical, that is that are the one most widely used, that's called a wet spherical agglomeration method. It is like a wet sieving method. Other methods are listed over here, like a quasi-emulsion, solvent diffusion, ammonia diffusion, neutralization, crystal co-agglomeration process. While the non-typical spherical crystallization techniques, like a traditional crystallization techniques, like a cooling method, into which we are going to obtain the crystals by the changing the temperature. The pH method, we are changing the pH of the entire solution and we form the crystals. The next one is a salting out method, into which we are adding the more amount of that solid, and then it is going to be precipitated out. The other known method are like APS, evaporative precipitate aqueous solution, solution atomizer crystals by the sonation. Here we are using ultrasonic wave to form the spherical crystals, and the solvent evaporation method too. Now let's try to understand what are the advantages improvement of the physicochemical properties due to the spherical crystals. The first one, particle size and the shape, yes, and definitely because the spherical crystals will have the different particle size, as well as it are converted into spherical shape than compared to the original raw drug material. The density means the volume of this spherical agglomerates of crystal which are formed, it increases as the density of the drug substance decreases. Yes, due to the change in that volume of a form during the recrystallization process, there is a finding that there is a stability of the drug substance is also going to be changed. Yes, the flowability of this agglomeration is going to be increased, and because the spherical shape provide the significant reduction in the interparticle friction and the lower static electrical charge, and that's why the flowability is going to be increased. Packability also is going to be increased because of the angle of friction, zero corrosive force, and indexes are going to be lower than the single crystal, which will improve the packability. Yes, the spherical agglomerate also possesses the superior strength characteristics in comparison to the that is the convection crystals will be there. The wettability, basically wettability depends upon the how fast a liquid is going to cover the solid material. So here the wettability depends on crystallinity and elementary crystal size of the agglomerate. Here, as the contact angle is going to decrease, the wettability of the material is going to be increased. The next is solubility. In the prepared spherical agglomerate, there will be a change in the internal energy of the molecules, and which play a very important role in increasing the solubility. And in terms when we are going to increase the solubility, yes, it is going to increase the dissolution rate as well as the bioavailability too. So this was all about the spherical crystals, and which are nowadays the most popular technique. Everybody try to convert the crystal, the materials, solid materials, either amorphous or the crystal into the spherical crystal with a number of advantages. Yes, so if you like my video, please give it like, please share to your friends. And this is again the one of the important research topic can be done at the masters as well as the doctorate level too. And if you like, and please subscribe to my pharma learning channel for the more upcoming videos related to the pharmacy and the other pharmacy and the other topics. Thank you.